So what is the given data? So this will be the numericals on SAT. Okay, so this was the given question here. So what is the solution we'll be finding over here is, first of all, let us highlight what is the given data over here is span length is 150 meters. Yes. Weight of the conductor, weight of the copper per meter length means, what is the given area here? Conductor area is how much? Conductor area. Conductor area is how much? 2 centimeters square. 2 centimeters square. And what is the specific gravity over here? Is 8.9 grams per centimeter cube. Okay. Specific gravity means mass by volume. Yes or no? So this is the specific gravity. And what else we have here? Ultimate strength. What is ultimate strength we have? Ultimate strength is 5000 kg per centimeter square. And what is the factor of safety we have? Is 5. And also, one more point is also given here is wind pressure. So wind pressure. Anything else? Specific gravity, wind pressure. Okay. Now we will be writing this given data. Okay. So what is the given data we have here? Span length is L is equal to 150 meters. Okay, span length is equal to how much? 150 meters. Then next, weight. Weight is nothing but weight of copper or copper per meter. Length is equal to copper per meter length. That is W is equal to, what we'll be writing here? Conductor area. Conductor area into 100 centimeter into specific gravity. If you don't follow this, go back to this, the SAG important factors. Okay. Then we will be writing here what is the conductor area we have. So thereby conductor area is how much? 2 into 100 into, what is the specific gravity, which is already given in centimeters. So this will be, specific gravity is how much? Specific gravity is 8.9. So if you multiply this, what we get here? 200 multiplied by 8.9. 200 multiplied by 8.9 will be, yes students, 200 multiplied by 8.9. The answer will be 1780. If I am right, 1780. So this was gram. So let us divide this by 1000. Then we get kg. Yes or no? Then we get 1.78 kg. Am I right, students? Okay. Then what is the next point we have? Working tension. That is working tension. Working tension is capital T is equal to what we write here, ultimate strength multiplied by area of the conductor. Area of the conductor. Okay, divided by factor of safety. Factor of safety. Okay. If you solve this, what we can do here is ultimate strength. What is ultimate strength? We have 5000 multiplied by area of the conductor is how much? 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter square into 2 divided by what is the factor of safety we have? 5. 1 times, and this is 2000 kg. Okay. What is the next one? Ultimately we will be finding the, so therefore sag S is equal to what we have here, W into L square divided by 8 into T. That implies, what is this R? R is the total work, total weight. We know that, what is that formula? W T is equal to under root of W square plus WW square. Yes or no? What is this W? How much? 1.78. So 1.78 whole square plus, what is the wind pressure? How much? 1.5 square. What is this value will be? 2.32 kg. So substituting this, so therefore, now substitute all this W, L, T. What is this W? 2.32 into, what is this value of L? L will be 150 divided by 8 into, what is this tension? Tension T is equal to 2000. Total together how much this is? 3.37 meter. Sag will be 3.37 meters. Okay.